Ginolis Lateral Flow Device Assembly solutions are a revolutionary step in diagnostics manufacturing. They provide manufacturers flexible production capacity within a desktop footprint. Vision-guided component placement, strip cutting, and quality control ensure a consistent, high-quality assembled device. The solution is easily adaptable and can assemble different rapid tests with minimal product-specific adjustments. Built on Ginolis' Xanthia platform, the modular design provides speed, accuracy, and precision, as well as flexibility for the future. The LFDA's bulk feeders are not product-specific and fit a wide variety of cassette types. The Lateral Flow Test strip is fed with single card, card magazine, or real infeed modules. The test strip is cut with a linear servo-based cutter utilizing machine vision for precise width measurement. An additional machine vision quality control check is completed before assembly. An electrically functioning press unit with adjustable height and force parameters presses together the assembled test device. A final QC station checks to make sure the lateral flow device meets all manufacturing requirements. The LFDA's modular structure allows for different configurations depending on the type of lateral flow device and required production capacity.